Mr. McCoy, I want to see a bank statement saying that X amount of dollars was withdrawn by the defendant, and then I want proof from you that that money was withdrawn without permission or authority from you. That's all I'm asking for. Do you have it?
Listen, at the end of the day, she stole the money. And she admits she stole it.
No. At the end of the day, it doesn't appear that way because you haven't proved anything other than conclusions that you're asking us to draw on the basis of nothing. And what we see is statements made from you that are inappropriate. We see behavior from you that is not professional.
What does my behavior have to do?
I'm so shocked.
I'm so shocked right now.
I know.
Do you I'm not going to argue
inside of a courtroom?
I'm not finished yet.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. You're more than welcome to chime in, but I'm not finished with you yet.
Listen, if you guys just don't like me, that's one thing. That's clear.
I'm a judge.
Don't like
I am a judge.
Stop it.
And whether I like you or don't like you doesn't matter. I'm here to determine one simple thing, and that is whether or not she stole money from you.
Yes.
And I don't see it. What I see is someone calling her names, of asking us to draw conclusions, all irrelevant, turning to other people.
What documents?
No.
Sir, are you serious? I am shocked.
I know. This is...
So am I. The payment plan right here, which he breaks down.
No. Which email, which acknowledgement? Are you aware of something you signed that admitted?
No.
What did you acknowledge?
I acknowledged to pay him money because I was being threatened.
Did you use any of his credit cards at any time?
He would give me his credit cards to go grocery shopping. All of the bills were in my name. I paid our water and power bill all the way through October 2021.
I have nothing further.
I'm shocked because when I found out that you weren't a lawyer, I'm like, okay, well, there's going to be a certain presentation that he's going to provide. He's going to understand that he's got to provide receipts. And what you came in with was a simple acknowledgement that she was going to pay you some money. But what we believe is that there was a reason that she acknowledged this amount that she wanted to pay you, and that was based on your actions today. I mean, you're just showing it all, which is why we have to question how you behave outside of the courtroom, because you're not even showing us the respect.
What does the behavior have to do with...
Behavior has a lot to do. And not only does your behavior have a lot to do, I can tell you don't practice law.
Get the out of here.
Exactly my point.
I'll go wherever the want.
That's insane.
All right, given what's happened with the plaintiff, we're going to excuse you.
Thank you.
While we begin deliberating in this matter. Thank you very much. First of all, let me say that I think both of you are absolutely correct in the face of such blatant inappropriateness, especially by someone who allegedly has a legal background. I'm not going to get into all the other issues that are quite apparent here. His credibility is gravely in doubt, and there is absolutely no documentary or any other kind of evidence to support his allegation. So his action is dismissed.
And I think contrary to what he kept insisting, there would be a lot of cases where perhaps his credibility wasn't really that important. There might be cases where his threats to the employers were not relevant. His treatment of her mother has nothing to do with this. But her defense was duress.
Right.
So the things he was doing to her and his lying about them go both to the substantive issue of duress, because he was threatening her employment, threatening her mother, but also to his credibility of whether he was putting her under duress. So these issues aren't just relevant to credibility, they're relevant to the actual claim she made.
And the fact that he can't see that as an alleged attorney is wild to me, which is why I was so shocked. We're the judges here, and he just completely came in very transparent. Thank you for that, because we get to see what this poor girl was probably going through.
She's paid him $26,000. A good portion of that was after the agreement was made. A good portion of it was before.
Yeah.
But not a dollar.
No.
He hasn't established any of his claims.
I agree with both of you. I think we have a verdict. It's unanimous. The complaint is dismissed.
We agree.